How to change font size in KineMaster. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your KineMaster app. Then after, go to the project that you want the font size or to be changed. Then tap on the font or the text that you have written. There you can see the option of color, in, out, color, blend, time, text option, text background, pin, information, advanced, but you cannot see the option of text size. Where you can find it is in the option of font at the beginning only. Here you can see in the middle. Tap on it. Here you can see Android, Latin. Then tap on the correct icon. Here you can see the option of present. How you can edit or increase or decrease the size of the font is over here. You can see the option of arrow icon. You can see from here, if you drag it in, then it decreases the size of the font. If you drag it out, then it increases the size of your font. So like this, you can increase and decrease the size of your font.